Hello, this is Cassie from Altai Steel.
Hello, this is Jimmy.
Today we will discuss 4140 steel and 5140 steel, as we know that 4140 steel belongs to the alloy structural steel.
5140 steel is one structural alloy steel grade in ASTM A29 standard for general application.
From the analysis of the content, the carbon content are all 0.38% to 0.43%.
And the chromium content of the 4140 steel is 0.8 to 1.1%, while the chromium content of 5140 steel is 0.7 to 0.9%.
From the analysis of the hardness, 4140 steel is usually supplied ready heat-treated to hardness in 28 to 32 HRC.
5140's hardness as surface hardened is about 54 HRC.
In terms of use, 4140 steel can be used for engineered structural parts like high-tensile shafts and gears.
5140 steel is often used for low and moderately stressed parts for vehicle engines and machines, where hard wear-resistant surface is needed.
So what is the difference between them?
5140 steel can be used for marine engineering industry, chemical processing plants, boiler and pressure vessels, and nuclear power plants, and etc.
I hope that customers should consider what kind of performance you need for the steel that you purchase and then buy on demand.
By the way, for 4140 steel, you can supply the round bar, steel flat bar, and plate.
Rectangular pieces can be cut from the flat bar or plate to your specific sizes.
The above is about the difference between 4140 steel and the 5140 steel. If you want to know more, you can visit our website.
You can also send an email or call us.
This is Jimmy.
This is Cassie.
See you.
See you.